Guys, welcome. We are back in Uvita. Here we are. Oh my god. Oh my good god. Look at this place. Absolutely incredible. Oi. Alright, I hope it's not too windy. But yes, we are here at Marino Bellena National Park. Back in Uvita again. We're going into 2022. We're gonna spend it here in Uvita. And I've already made a video on Uvita, so go watch that if you want to learn about it. I just wanted to make a quick video, bring in the new year. Happy to be in Costa Rica. Good friends and good. Whoa! I'm just glad to be here, that's all. Acachete. Really hope there isn't too much wind, but the whale tail is a decent distance down this way. We're gonna get there, explore, and then we're gonna find a nice spot to take off into the sky. Look at this buoy. It's freaking huge. Yikes. Chain. Gotta cross this mighty river. After you, my lady. Whoa. Whoa. Sunk a little bit. Whoa. All right, vamos. Hot, 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 hot. Sorry about that.
Why?
Right.
Really?
Come on. It's a great idea. Hot, 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 hot. Almost there. 500? All right. Gracias. Here you go. Beautiful. Muchas gracias. Ah, you need straws or no?
No, because it's...
No plastic? That's what it looks like.
There you go.
You can have them split them afterwards. Salud. Oh. Think. Salud. Looks like a storm's coming in. We gotta beat it to the whale tail because I want to get some blue shots. Uh-oh. We got more toucans. Or the parrots?
The parrots? Guacamole.
Guacamayas. There they are. Look at those two soulmates. They go everywhere together. Just travel in pairs.
They're monogamous.
Sounds like a good life.
This one's a little too sweet for me.
It's too sweet?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, this one's perfect. I freaking love it. Ah, so good. Goofy. It's a goofy word. We're arguing over discombobulated.
What?
Discombobulated.
Discombobulated.
I don't even know if that's actually a word, honestly. Like, I think maybe it was made up in a movie or something. So we got to the whale tail, I'm pretty sure, and it's covered by the ocean. So I don't know if we're here too early or too late.
The tide is high.
Check it out.
But I'm holding on.
So it looks like high tide is already here. We can't even cross that. If you look at the last video I shot, you can see we walked right across it, but now I don't even think it's possible. Like she was just saying, you can tell it kind of comes together right here at this point. You see the rocks out there at the end of the whale tail, but we definitely, yeah, people are way out there walking on water. Jesus Cristo. So we're gonna fly the drone out and see what we can see. Sure wish. Probably hard to see, but there's two parrots up there. Oh, there you go. Three, I'm sorry, there's three. They're eating almonds. Beautiful birds. They can talk too. Hola! Okay, the tide has actually gotten low, so we're gonna head out to the whale tail and check it out. There it is. Looks like glass, like I said last time I was here. It's beautiful. It just looks like glass all the way down. It's just beautiful. So light layer of water where the ocean has receded back in on each side, and it comes together to this rock formation to make the whale tail. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So right now, the tide's not low enough to completely walk through, so it's all still coming together. Everybody's coming out to the whale tail. All right, we are here on the whale tail, guys. We made it. These rocks right here, that is where we are, the very end. You just take a look around, it's just really beautiful. It is, I think, a perfect place to end the year. I think it's a perfect place to end the video. I think it's a perfect place to end the year. And I think that's what we're gonna do. The new year's here, guys. Hope that you're excited about it. What can I say about 2021? You know, it was a mixed bag this year. You know, I understand a lot of people couldn't do the things they wanted this year, and I've been very fortunate. And I know that a lot of people have suffered these last 2 years, especially. It wasn't easy for a lot of people. You know, this whole pandemic, this whole depression, everything. I feel like a lot of us have lost a lot of people this year and last year, and that's hard. I lost someone very close to me, and you know, nothing said by some guy on YouTube is gonna make things different. But I really hope that 2022 is a year of something to look forward to, a year of goals, a year that is full of hope for you. It is a happy year, and I hope that it is a blessed year for everybody watching this and beyond. I think we owe it to ourselves to make 2022 the best year of our lives. If you have the power to do so, do so, and enjoy life. You only get one chance at that. Thanks to the 500 subscribers I got this year. I really do appreciate that, and I will do my best this year to help out anyone I can with anything I can. Fitness, travel, everything, life. What is a world that people don't help each other. So I hope I can provide some sort of service, even if it's just making you laugh. So you guys, I love you. Stay safe. Enjoy 2022. Do your best, all right? It's all about that first step. Peace.